Here we go, unboxing my 45th surprise. Murag yun ko anig amo kay nanghubag akong mata, pagmata.
Hoy, what's that big piece? What is a pig? What is this, darling? Hoy, why you did your way? I look ugly, hoy. What is this? He's rubbing. Hoy. Let me see. But I look ugly, baby. Don't look on me. Don't. Now I ruined this. With all my heart. Where did you find this card? Thank you, darling, for being such a wonderful one. And happy birthday to the sweetest and kindest person I know. I hope you have many more, and I look forward to spending them with you. I love you. Oh, baby. Yeah? Let me see this one. Oh, you bought me this. Oh, you bought me this. The computer? Okay. Jesus Christ. What did you buy? Hoy, what did you buy?
The other day.
Jesus Christ. Unboxing. Oh my goodness.
You like it?
Jesus Christ. It's the one. Oh my goodness. Baby. Really bought me this? But I look ugly, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh, you stepped on my little big prize for my 45th birthday. Look at you. What a big gift for me. 23-inch all-in-one desktop PC. Look at that. This is the desk.
That's where your speakers are.
The camera
That's
there.
the camera.
Wow, and it's a touch screen.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. That's the best. Beautiful. This is what I've been wanting, and I got it for my birthday. Thank you, darling. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Look at what I got. My 45th birthday for my baby. Thank you, darling. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. It's cute. It's the mouse. What they doing? I'll let you deal with that, Mikey.
That's cool.
Wi-Fi.
Which one's, do you know which one's yours? Is it this Verizon?
I think so, yeah.
Do you know what the thing is? I think I remember. Actually, I think I remember.
Capital M.
fine, Nago.
Well,
It's okay. Oh my God, you're in the video, Nago. It's funny. Here, Maggie.
we want to name it. Keep your head.
Here's my little preparation. We just ordered to go the Chinese food and my 45, my chocolate birthday cake. Very yummy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Julin. Happy birthday to you.
Blow it.
Let's try doing the touchscreen. See this one? Touch the...
Sa aking kaarawan, happy, happy, happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa aking kaarawan. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, Lord.
Yan, see? It's beautiful.
Delicious dinner.
I like this one. Harang sa maganda, sa guwapa. Harang sa gamay. Pag nagsugod na dito sa malaki. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.